I'm going to show you a few cuts for eggplant. The first one is rondelles, which is round pieces. So I have chosen an eggplant that is pretty round. First, we're going to remove the core. We want to put our knife against the hard leaves here and just push them back a little bit. And then just go straight down. You could peel off any excess. The point of knife skills is to take as little as possible of the actual item. So now we're going to position our hand, try to make sure that it's completely stabilized. If that is a little bit difficult, you could definitely cut it in the bottom, but then it wouldn't be a perfect round. So just make sure that you stabilize yourself better. Take your knife and just go straight down. The thickness of the rondelle really depends on you and the usage. Now I'm going to show you how to make it into cubes. So we're going to remove the core by pushing the leaves a little bit and then going straight down. Now we're going to move the eggplant towards us, make sure that it's vertical, and we're going to position our hand, make sure that you have a large grip here. Go against your knuckle and go straight down. If you notice here, I chose a long eggplant. I will stop right here in the middle because I want to show you a third technique later on. We're going to take our slices, stack them up, and just go straight down. Now turn them to cube them. The same technique as we did with the potatoes. Now I'm going to show you how to put half an eggplant inside the oven to roast it. In this case, we're going to take our paring knife, hold it tightly like so. You want to score it. You don't want to cut all the way down. You just want to score it. And we create kind of like diamond shapes. And at this point you will salt it, and what happens is the salt goes inside the eggplant and it removes the bitterness that eggplant naturally has, as well as help it cook a little faster. So your eggplant will come out melting.